Hey guys, it's Mr. Fouts. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a Mac Mini. If you've never seen this before, it is a very powerful computer. We also have the iMacs in the lab. And for those of you that may not have a lot of experience, or you got on the Mac and you kind of find it to be a little clunky and you don't really know where anything is, today I'm going to be showing you how to navigate the Mac, how to use this machine and turn it on for the first time. So stick with me, and I think you're going to find this video to be very helpful. Something important to note about the Mac Mini is that it doesn't come with a screen. So your monitor is actually external. It's something separate from your machine. When you turn on the monitor, it's not going to say anything except no signal, like this. Womp womp. You have to turn on the Mac Mini by hitting the power button in the back. It's on the back right. So let's turn on our Mac and boot up our monitor. Now that we're into the Mac and we're able to log in, what you're gonna find is a few things kind of pop up. First thing is your desktop. That's like home base on this computer. You have your dock and you have the mini bar. Let's look at the dock. The dock is where all of your default apps are gonna live. You can customize this, you can remove apps from this dock, you can bring apps to the dock. The first one we're gonna look at is Safari. Safari is just like Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, except it's Apple's version. Finder is where all of your apps are going to live, all of your files, downloads, documents, you name it. Any app that's open is gonna pop up on top where the menu bar is. This is the very top of your screen. You can scroll through Safari, you can scroll back to other apps like Calendar, you name it, and all of those apps are gonna change up here on the menu bar. Another symbol that you may recognize is this gear. For my iPhone users, you probably know what this is. Sorry, Android people. This is your system settings, and everything that you want to change in your computer, in your Mac, this is where you would do it. So when you open system settings, you're gonna have a lot of options to customize and change a lot of the things that are in your Mac, but it's not that customizable. These are all predetermined, like light and dark appearance mode for your display. You can kind of come over here and change like accent colors and highlights, but it's not exactly like what you would do on a PC. You do have options to change, the size of your resolution, the color profile. You can kind of roll that back to different settings. But you also have the option to finagle your mouse settings. So maybe like the speed of the mouse is just too slow. That's usually one of the first things that I change when I log in, just because I want to work fast. There you go. Zoom, zoom, zoom. See? Yep. Woohoo. Yay. Cool. One important note is when you click the Apple button at the very top left corner, you have a couple options for logging out, locking the screen, etc. Don't ever click lock screen, because the next person that comes in after you in the next class won't be able to get on the computer. So what I recommend is just clicking log out, never ever click lock. And that concludes our video. Now you know how to turn on the computer. You can get into the Mac, system settings, you know what the menu bar is, the dock. You can move things around on the dock. You can probably even change your system settings down. That's pretty cool. And I'm wearing a different shirt because this is my video and I can do whatever I want.